I said just wait till I drop my album.
Girl, it's alright, I'm a hoe too. Just got a bag, I'm a blow through. I need some space in the O2. And I get the shit that you go through. It's probably my fault if I ghost you. I push away people I'm close with. Or stand on and stand out on no shit. Yeah, we took a pic and I posted. I remember the blog I was posting.
Alright, y'all. Well, I'm just waking up. And it's time to get ready and put everything together so that I can go to this event. So, I'm going to wake up. I'm going to start packing my things, and we're going to get on with the day because I need to get out of bed. Yep, and just like that, we are now ready to go. I got the, specialty Sub Vita D1 Import shirt, and that's who we're going to be with today, Sub Vita and D1 Import. So let's hurry up and get over there. Just left the crib. I'm on my way to the event now. We're going to see what's popping. I had to go pick up my tripod, though, just so that we can record some solid shit. I'll see you when I get there. Yo, we just got into the event. We parked. I'm eating some Chick-fil-A right now. Pretty damn good. I ain't gonna lie. Tasty. We love chicken. Eat more chicken, not cows. You know what I'm saying? Chick-fil-A. Anyways, we are here at the event. I'm gonna finish up this food. We're gonna head in and see what's cracking, what's popping. We are in, all set up. Yeah. Giveaway. There's the GTR that's on the back of the merch. Let's look at these sick ass cars real quick. I'm gonna run. Welcome back, guys, to Zev Car Reviews. Today we see all these cars and we count them as shit boxes or nice whips. Let's go. Not shit box, not shit box, not shit box. Fitment in the front and or fitment in the back. Jesus Christ.
Damn, I should have the camera, huh?
Yeah. Get some content while we're out here. Sick. Clean Tesla, bro. Too clean. Too clean. I want it. I want it now. Right now. Anyways, guys, all jokes aside, all the cars that are here, pretty dope. We gotta respect all builds in the car community. As you guys know, we love to show love to those who deserve it. And it's pretty dope to see everybody out here with their own builds that they've spent time on. Because, hey, we do the same thing. We understand how the life is. And if you spend time on your car and get it looking dirty, obviously it's gonna be really nice. This is Fuel Fest. This is Fuel Fest. I don't know if I can explain that a lot. I don't know if I've explained that yet to you guys, but this is Fuel Fest. Basically what it is Fast and Furious in real life. And it's hosted by Paul Walker's brother, Cody Walker. And it also has special guests of Tyrese Gibson. And sometimes Vin Diesel does pop up to these events. So, hey, I'm gonna be honest, fake carbon fiber can look real, guys. Look at how crazy that is. That's fake. This is prime droopy cut material. Prime.
Blue wheels on a blue Jetta? That just doesn't go together. I'm sorry, that doesn't go together.
I'm a pimp, a young player in the mix. Yeah. They're still in our business right now. They're straight up still in our business because of her. Because of her. Look, everybody just stops. We need that.
Did you see the guy looking at her hella hard?
Yes.
He was right behind her. I wonder if we can get the shot.
We can, bro. We're getting it right now. Yep.
Got him.
Got him. Caught in 4K.
We're just watching.
I would say as of right now, I got the best seats in the house. You know what I'm saying? I'm currently spectating above the entire event. Pretty dope to see it from up here and see all the cars and all the people from a long shot. As you guys can see. Pretty freaking dope. Pretty dope. I'm feeling good. I'm actually gonna hop on this and see how many pull-ups I can do. That's what we're seeing right there. We're gonna see what I can do. I'm really about to put myself on blast right now.
Yes, sir. You gonna try it? You're thought about this? You gonna try it? Hey. Why not? Yeah. What? Go. Nah. All right. I did a little bit. When I was in high school, yeah. This thing is... Yeah, I got one more. One more. One good pull. One good pull. One good pull. Yeah. That was good, man.
Well, I'm still tired from yesterday's workout, but it's all good. I appreciate it. Thank you.
Thanks for coming out.
Thank you. A sticker for putting myself on blast. You guys know I'll be working out really hard. Pull-ups are not my move right now. I need at least a month to pull out. Chilling at, Fuelfest still. It's getting to the point where it's like, point to no return. She's dope. We love her. I don't know, I might run on the racetrack naked just to make some content. I might do that. I might run on the racetrack naked just to make some content. I probably won't do that. Indecent exposure. Hey, just a little update from before. We are at Fuelfest and we are here to meet Vin Diesel, finally, but he is not here.
He might not be here.
No, he's definitely not here.
They would have advertised it.
Now I'm gonna go meet Paul Walker.
You gotta cut that out, bro. It's Cody Walker.
No, but Cody Walker is here in tribute to Paul Walker.
And Tyrese Gibson.
Oh, and Tyrese Gibson. We're about to see white chocolate and chocolate on stage. You know what I'm saying?
That's what I'm talking about right here. Hey, man. My brother Ludacris right here.
Got this man in. Yes, he's finally here. It's been all day. Yeah.
This is what I live for, dude. I love all this shit. Wish I could have been here, bro.
Facts, bro. Why'd you have to work? Give us some money so we can go buy super exotic cars and race them with each other. We need Tyrese Gibson and Cody Walker on these ASAP.
Yeah, did you see him?
Yeah, I got up there, but they ran off to the fucking RV quick, bro.
Dude, I was saying they were on the fucking stage for like 5 seconds. They're like, we're going to Abu Dhabi. And they all did.
That's how it went, bro.
But they walked over there and I'm like, I can't even tell who it is because there's 100 people on the stage.
Facts. I was like, peace out, Fuelfest. It's dope coming out to see what's going on. Cody Walker, Tyrese Gibson, dope people. Thank you for hosting this meet and get it all crack-a-lackin'. I hope you guys did enjoy today's vlog. It's been your boy Zeph. Please go like, share, and subscribe. And I am out. Peace. We are now at an accounting party. We are rich people.
Quote unquote, it's the rich people party because that's what we call it. Because we get food from rich people.